James, do you want to go shopping today?
Shopping? What for?
Clothes. I need some new outfits, and you could use a few new shirts too.
You're right. My wardrobe is getting boring.
Exactly. Let's go to the mall.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Look at this first store. It has casual clothes.
Yes, let's go inside.
Do you see this blue sweater? I think it's cute.
Try it on. The color suits you.
Okay, I'll go to the fitting room. Wait here.
Sure.
What do you think?
Wow, it looks really nice on you. The blue matches your eyes.
Thanks, but is it too big?
Maybe one size smaller would fit better.
Good idea. I'll ask the shop assistant. Excuse me, do you have this sweater in a smaller size?
Yes, of course. Here's a medium.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Trying the medium, what do you think now?
Much better. It fits just right.
Great. I'll keep this one.
Now, let's find something for me.
Look at those shirts on the rack.
Oh, yes. I like this white one.
White always looks fresh. Try it on.
Okay, let's see.
How does it look?
It looks good, but maybe a darker color would suit you better.
Like this navy blue one?
Yes, try that.
All right.
How about now?
Perfect. You look stylish.
Really?
Yes, you should buy this one.
Okay, I'll take it.
Should we look at jeans?
Sure, I do need new jeans.
What size do you usually wear?
Size 32.
Let's check this section. Look, here's a pair in your size.
Okay, I'll try them on. They feel a little tight.
Maybe one size bigger?
Yes, I'll try size 34.
How is it now?
Much better. More comfortable.
And they look great. Very modern.
Then I'll take these.
Perfect. Let's pay here.
Hello, we'd like to buy these clothes.
Of course, that will be $75.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment successful. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay, we got some casual clothes. Should we check another store?
Yes, let's go to the formal wear shop.
Good idea. I need a new suit for work.
Look at these jackets.
Wow, they're expensive.
True, but a good suit lasts many years.
You're right. I'll try this gray one.
Okay, let's see.
How do I look?
Very professional. The color is elegant.
Is it too tight on the shoulders?
A little. Maybe a bigger size.
I'll try the next size. How about now?
Perfect. You look like a businessman.
Yeah, thanks. Should I buy it?
Definitely. It's a great investment. I also need a dress for my friend's party.
Let's check that section.
Look at this red dress. It's beautiful.
Yes, you should try it.
Okay, give me a second. What do you think?
Wow, you look amazing.
Really?
Yes, it's stylish and elegant.
I like it too. I'll take it. Excuse me, can I pay for this dress and suit?
Sure. The total is $220.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we bought formal clothes too.
Great. Now let's look at shoes.
Yes, I need new sneakers.
And I want some high heels. Look at these sneakers. They're simple but stylish.
Yes, I like the white ones.
Try them on.
Okay. Very comfortable.
They look good too. You should buy them.
I will.
And I'll try these black heels.
Careful walking in them.
Haha, don't worry. How do they look?
Beautiful. Very elegant.
Perfect. I'll take them.
Hello, we'd like to buy these shoes.
Sure. That will be $130.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Payment complete.
Great.
Now we have casual clothes, formal clothes, and shoes.
Yes, but what about accessories?
Good idea. Let's check scarves and bags. Ooh, I love this handbag.
It's nice. What color is it?
Light brown. Very neutral. Goes with everything.
Yes. You should get it.
And look at this scarf. So soft.
Try it on.
Okay. Does it look good?
Yes. Very stylish.
Great. I'll buy both.
Maybe I should get a belt.
Yes. Belts are useful. Look at this black leather one.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Hello. I'd like to buy this handbag, scarf, and belt.
Of course. That will be $95.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a nice day. We've shopped so much today.
Yes, I'm tired but happy.
Me too. Should we get some coffee and rest?
Great idea. Let's go to the cafe. Hello, what can I get for you?
A cappuccino, please.
And a latte for me. Anything to eat?
Maybe a slice of cake?
Yes, chocolate cake, please. Great. I'll be right back.
Finally, time to relax.
Yes, shopping is fun but also tiring.
True, but we learned a lot of useful words today.
Yes, sizes, colors, styles, fabric, all very useful.
And we practiced talking with shop assistants and cashiers.
Exactly. Real-life English.
Here's your coffee and cake. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
This cake is delicious.
Yes, perfect ending to a shopping day.
And now we both have new clothes to wear.
I can't wait to wear my new shirt.
And I'll wear my new dress at the party.
Good idea.
Well, today was fun.
Yes, very useful English practice too.
Absolutely. Let's do this again sometime.
Sure. Next time, maybe we shop for jackets or sportswear.
Deal.
For now, let's just enjoy our coffee.
Agreed.